In the heart of the mountains, where echoes call, I find my peace in the rhythms they capture all. The melodies flow like rivers, so soft and free. In the land of my people, where I long to be, let the music guide me home as it plays. Kurdish melodies healing my soul, uniting the fragments, making me whole. In the dance of the fire, the memories swirl. With each drum of the sass, I feel the world. Whispers of ancestors linger in the air, each note a reminder of love and care. Through stories of struggle, joy and pride, in every chord I feel my heart open wide. Let the past embrace me as I stand tall. Kurdish melodies healing my soul, uniting the fragments, making me whole. In the dance of the fire, the memories swirl. With each drum of the sass, I feel the world. These songs are my lifeline, where I belong. In the warmth of tradition, forever strong.